If you watched my recent double feature live stream, you might recognize this HP Omen. This is a pre-built computer sent to me by the customer who was looking to take the GPU that was in it out, replace it with another one, get it generally cleaned up, and we were going to give it to his wife. However, more recently we found a veteran that was in need, so instead of charging him to upgrade this PC, we're going to do it at cost, and together we're going to donate this to a veteran in need. But before we can do anything with this, we need to clean it out. So let's take it outside. I'm not sponsored by these people, but seriously, get yourself one of these Metrovac DataVac dusters and never buy a can of air again. Now that this is all nice and clean, I'm going to pull all of the data off of this boot drive so that the customer still has all of his data and files. Then we'll put a nice clean installation of Windows 11 onto this HP Omen.
Alright, so you ready? I've been stoked, man.
I am too. Since I saw her, I didn't sleep last night. Ask her.
Hello. Oh, my precious. Oh, my gosh. I'm short. I'm vertically challenged. Yeah, y'all help a brother out. I got you. Move the box. There's some extra swag in the box, too.
30 out.
Decent juice.
Woo! Oh my God! I just touched her about. I was like, I gotta get.
Yeah, here, I'll take a side of that.
I was like, I gotta get a mouse pad.
Yeah, not anymore, you don't.
That's awesome.
Thank you, brother. Thank you for everybody who contributed to this. You have no idea how much this is going to help. It's been an issue. I've worked with Vet Protects. I've worked with numerous veteran agencies to help me get this, but they couldn't upgrade it for my cybersecurity program. This does. Thank you. This is somebody that we met who wanted to help me out from the bottom to the top and taught me one of the key lessons I'm going to take in life, and I'll pass it forward. It's not a handout. It's a hand up. Right. Even though I'm short, it's always a hand up.
Yeah, no, it's a hand up for you for sure.
No, thank you.
Thank
my
you.
gosh, I'm
Thank
so
you for your
excited.
service.
So y'all know the story? This is Lemons. This is Justin.
Bam Bam, Staff Sergeant, United States Army and Navy, combat veteran, retired.
Peace out, y'all.